Craving something crispy? Let's make chicken snacks in just 10 minutes. 250 g boneless chicken cubes. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Half a teaspoon garlic powder. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon corn flour. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 2 tablespoons oil. Chili flakes. Lemon juice. Mix chicken with all the spices, corn flour, and soy sauce. Heat oil in a pan, add the marinated chicken, and fry on medium-high for 6 to 7 minutes until golden and fully cooked. Sprinkle chili flakes, add a squeeze of lemon juice, and toss well. For an extra kick, drizzle a little hot sauce. Your quick chicken bites are ready. Serve hot with ketchup or mayo dip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more 10-minute snacks.